What's up, y'all? My name's Bill, and this is how I do it. Man, let me tell you a story real quick. Man, I was in my 2012 VW Passat, my daily driver, and I was driving it, about to get ready to go to work. And then all of a sudden, I lost acceleration, lost power. EPC light came on. I'm like, man, what in the world is going on? It instantly put me back in limp mode. So what I did was I pulled over, cut the car off, crunk it back up, and it drove normal for a little bit. So I had to do that about 2 times back to the house. Mind you, I wasn't but about 2 miles away from my house. So I came home. I ran some codes. I got the P0122, and I'll put the codes up what I got. Basically, it was a throttle body code, and it was throttle body position code. So I did a little research on it and discovered that you could clean your throttle body, and sometimes that fixes it. So I tried that. It worked for a trip to the store and back. Then the EPC light came back on. I ran the codes again, and the throttle body code came up. So leads me to believe it's a throttle body. So I'm gonna turn it over, and so let's see if the light. You see that EPC light over there on? Yeah. So that's what I was facing. So. And what it did was, it's still that throttle body sensor control. So what I'm gonna have to do, I tried cleaning it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace it. So check me out. All right, y'all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get ready to change this throttle body. And it's pretty simple. VW made it pretty simple to get to. So all we gotta do is take off this engine cover and take off this piping right here. But first we gotta release this piping right here so we can get this off first. So it's got this clamp right here. Got our channel locks, tongue and groove pliers is the proper name for them. And now we're just gonna release this clip here. Hold on, a little clip there. Now we can just pull these up. It's a grommet, it's 4 of them. But all you gotta do is pull up, boom. That goes to the side. Boom. Access to the throttle body. We got another one of these clamps we gotta move over. Move that over to that side. Take that off. Boom, that gives us access to the throttle body. It has 4 Torx screws, 2 up top, 2 at the bottom. Let's see if I can get a picture of that. It's a clip right here I gotta cut off. I'm gonna replace it with a regular clamp. So I gotta get some pliers to do that. Boom. So let me just go ahead and just take this off. So it's a T30. T30 screw. Go there. Got a little gasket around the body itself right there. Hopefully the new one comes with one. Hopefully. so let's see if we can get this electrical connection off of here. Boom. Put our gasket back in here, like so. All right. Get our new throttle body positioned, just like the old one. Has your guide pins on here, so it's kind of foolproof. But sometimes I'm the fool, so this definitely helps though. So I'm gonna cut a couple of screws in here to help out. Tighten these up a little bit. I'll put the torque specs on the screen somewhere. All right, I'll do it real quick. Hey, this one here. All right, got that on. Hook up our electrical connection here. Boom, clicks on. Hose clamp on here. Boom, boom. Snake this back on here. All right, got that on there. All right, now let's get everything back on here. All our piping back on. Right. Now. Boom, get our clamp. Boom, the clamp on there. Missing a little bit piece of this air cleaner, but I'm gonna have to work what I got right now. All right, it's on here. All right, I'm back out here. I just changed the throttle body, and I turn my key over. I still see the EPC light on, so I know I gotta reset it and reset the codes on it. So that's what I'm about to do now. All right, got my scanner here. So I got one code found. Read the codes. Set at P0122. That's from earlier. So gonna go back, gonna erase that. Still see the EPC light on. I know it's another erase procedure that, oh, there it goes. It cleared it all off. There it is. EPC gone. All right, I'm gonna drive it around a little bit today, make sure everything's good on it. But if I have any more problems, it'll be a part 2. Hopefully we won't have any part 2s. That's how I do it.
Hey, come outside. Let's hear it.
Say thank you for subscribing.
Thank you, Sky. Okay, let's hear it.